Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox 403 code on PC. So first of all you have to open File Explorer, and here you have to enter this keyword percentage local app data and then percentage again and just enter. You will be redirected here into this folder, and now you have to enter and just click on this Roblox folder and just press shift and delete. Shift delete, or you can directly delete, or you can delete from here as well. Click on here. After deleting it, you just need to restart your application. Or now once you delete it, you just need to open any application or any game and click on play button. It will ask you to download Roblox, or you can directly download from here. So the exe file will be download here. Just open it and reinstall your application. After this, you just need to log in into your account, and if the problem is still persists, let me log in. So after doing this, your problem must be solved, and if it is not solved, check whether you have to mistakenly turn on the VPN. You can turn off the VPN, and also if it's your problem didn't solve, then you can restart your PC or a mobile to see whether it's solved or not. So usually after doing this step, the problem is resolved, and if it still persists, you just need to check whether the web server of Roblox is working or not. Fine, so that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.